Okay, today we got a PTAC unit. Leaking water all over the apartment, right? Soon as I got there, I'm like, yo, this is crazy. This is a lot of water. So I unplugged the unit, turn the electricity off, turn the gas line off, no gas. Start looking around. I'm like, yo, we got to put some WD-40 on this. This thing is very tight. All right. Boom. Start looking for my WD-40. Got it. Spray my WD-40 on the line. Make my job a lot easier. I'm telling you, this thing probably haven't been open for like 6-7 years or more. Got my tools now, start assessing the job. I'm like, yo, let's get this thing out. My brother there with me. Boom. Turn the gas valves. So we're getting the pipe out first. So boom. Turn that. Try to get this thing out real quick. You know, inside the apartment, the tenant want us out. They don't want us to stay there. All right. Keep focus. Turn the gas valve. We got to be very careful with this because once it's break, it's a problem. We can't afford that. Get my drill. We're going to screw the unit from out the wall because it's screwed into the wall. You know, it's a PTAC unit. The outside is, the back of the unit is outside. The front is inside. Boom, I start pulling the unit out. I'm like, yeah, we got it. Go one side, start doing a little cleanup, get the new one. Start installing the new one. This is the unit. This is a spare unit for the building. So we're putting in this one. And we're going to unclog the one that's leaking. So yeah, boom. Make sure it's in the wall properly. Get my drill. Start screwing it back in. Yep. Like a pro. Keep focus. Keep focus. Get the gas valve screwed in. Yep. Got to keep focus, you know. Do it properly. Screw it real tight. Yep. Yep. Make sure it's screwing properly too. Keep focus. Keep focus. Yep. Adjust my vice grip. Bam. Okay. Vice grip on the wrench. You know that's very powerful. Pop my tool up now. New one installed. Job well done. Alright, we're gonna see right now and see what's up. Bam. Job well done. That is it for the day. Thank you.